for you. Hustle with them dealers when it's time to get that plane for you. Knock it out the ring for you. Whoa, shorty, oh no. Can I get a ring for you?
What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tamara back with another video. If you're new, make sure that you guys are subscribed to my channel, hit that bell, and give this video a big thumbs up. So as you guys can see, I'm in my room. I normally film in my basement, but I didn't feel like taking my makeup downstairs, and I think I'm gonna just film in my room from now on until this whole quarantine thing is over, because I'm just over it. So we're gonna be doing the everyday makeup tutorial, okay? And I have not done an updated one in so long, so that's what we're going to be doing today. So I'm filling my eyebrows using this eyebrow pencil I got from my local beauty supply store. And then to conceal my eyebrows, I'm going to go in with the 24-hour MAC Studio Fix Smooth Concealer. And I had an issue with this concealer because it did not blend out. Like, I cleaned up the bottom and the top of both my eyebrows, and it was so hard to blend in. Like, I even went in with a bigger brush and then a beauty blender, and it still wasn't blending out the way that I like to blend out my concealer around my eyebrows. But I know breaking it out, I'm over here getting frustrated, as you can see. Like, girl, what is you doing? So I'm gonna put the same concealer on my eyebrows, not on my eyebrows, on my eyelid, to prime my lid for the eyeshadow. So I'm gonna go in with the Jaclyn here. I think this is the Dream Colors palette. I'm gonna go in with this like golden yellow orange shade as my transition color. So my second eyeshadow is going to be this very light brown color. That's going to be my second transition color. And then I'm going to use a darker brown. It's like a medium brown. It's not too dark because I didn't want to look like I had like a smoky eye, nothing like that. I'm going to put that on my outer corner. And then I'm going to go with this very light nude eyeshadow. And I'm going to put that on my lid. It's a basic eyeshadow look. It's very cute and simple. So now I'm going to do a wing liner with my Morphe gel liner, and I kept messing up my liner and I was getting irritated, but it ended up working itself out. Don't If you mess up, just don't give up, okay? It's gonna work out. I am prepping my skin using the Moran face primer, and then I'm going to be using surprisingly a different foundation today. But as you can see, I am using my lashes in the style Beyonce. They are so cute. But guess what foundation I'm using? MAC. Oh my god, I probably use a MAC foundation probably once or twice, but this is in the shade NC45. This is probably, yeah, the Studio Fix Fluid Foundation. To conceal, we're going to be using the same concealer that we used earlier, and I'm going to work as quick as I can because y'all seen earlier I was having a difficult time trying to blend this concealer out. So we're going to work pretty fast, put the concealer on, blend it out so I don't have to curse nobody out. So I'm going to quickly bake my face using my benign banana powder. So to wipe away that powder, I'm going to be using the Studio Fix Powder Plus Foundation in the shade NC45. And then to bronze, well, I'm gonna say contour because it's kind of dark. I'm going to be using the brown shade in the Juvia's Place Zulu palette. That's like my favorite now because it's so warm. Yes, honey. So for my bottom lash, in my waterline, I'm going to be using a black eyeliner and a brown eyeshadow that I used to contour with earlier. And then that same Zulu palette, I'm going to use the pink shade for my blush. And then the Juvia's Place highlighter to bring some shine and brightness to my face, honey. I lost footage of the first two items I used on my lips, but it was a brown lip liner from NYX and then a lip gloss from Mega Revolution. It's a chocolate lip gloss in the shade Chocolate Chip Cookie Dough. And then I'm going to use a lip jelly for my best friend line from Bugaboo Cosmetics. Okay, I like them on Facebook. So this is the final look, you guys. They came out so cute and it's so like flirty. You can go anywhere with this look, honey. So make sure that you guys like, comment, share, all that. And I will see you guys in the next video. Okay.